The Ake Palace ground recently welcomed people from all walks of life to witness the installation of the new Balogun Aderemi Adetokunbo Adetayo as Balogun Ake after 7 years of the death of the former Balogun, while his wife, Chief Mrs. Foluke Oluremi Adetayo, was installed as the Mojibade Ake. Though a military title, the choice of Balogun Aderemi Adetayo by the people was not an happenstance, but a fulfillment of destiny. It can also be regarded as a repeat of history, as the Balogun Ake title returned to the Balogun Ake compound of Ligegere community Ake for the second time in history. Balogun Ake, having received a staff and insignia of office, proceeded to pay homage to Alake and also receive royal blessing. Oluwake, joined by other chiefs, presented the new Balogun and Mojibade Ake to Oba Michael Adedotun Aremu Gbadebo, Alake and Paramount ruler of Egbaland. The event again brought to the fore the unity in Egbaland, cemented by the presence of other traditional rulers like the Agura and Olowu, who flanked Alake to receive the new Balogun Ake and his wife Mojibade Ake.
The Lord will continue to back you up, sir. It will be well with you and your household. You are told, Atubo told.
Iléeṣẹ́ náà kò ní jóná, a máa pẹ́ sí i. Iléeṣẹ́ ọkọ̀ náà kò ní jóná, ẹ ò ní lọ́gàá bí iṣẹ́ yín ọkọ̀ pátápátá ni màmá lọ. Lórúkọ ti bàbá àti tọmọ àti tẹ̀mí mímọ́.
Regarded by many as a do-gooder and a man of the people, no wonder titled chiefs, friends, business and political associates graced the event to honor the couple, among whom are Senator Ibikunle Amosun, former governor and senator representing Ogun Central Senatorial District, and his wife, Funsho, Minister for Mines and Steel Development, Olamilekon Adegbite, and Senator Tolu Odebi, representing Ogun West Senatorial District.
The best in everything. He's a good friend, a good brother, a worthy, credible, competent, capacity friend. I wish him the best of luck.
It's a traditional title and a very powerful title. And I think there could not have been a better person to be given this title by His Royal Highness, the Alake of Egbaland. And I wish Kabiyesi a successful tenure, and I am sure that he's going to be well served by the new Balogun of Ake.
We're so happy and we are grateful to Baba Alake. We know that he can only continue to be useful to the society. This honor will continue to spur him further, and we hope that he will not just remain in Abeokuta, he will also come to us to come and do good.
The elated couple could not conceal their joy as they expressed gratitude for the honor done them.
Being the Balogun of Ake makes you the head of the kingmakers. But Kabiyesi Baba Alake, so by the special grace of the Almighty God, we will do our best.
I feel good and I thank God for today. It's a call to service, and as for my husband and myself, we believe in service and serving our community to the best of our ability.
Balogun Aderemi Adetayo is a media and corporate communication guru, the founder and chief executive officer of Moving Media Limited, while his wife, Chief Foluke Oluremi Adetayo Mojibade Ake, is a proprietress, a mother, a mentor and a caregiver for children. We wish the couple success in their new assignment.